So now we're going to look in a little more detail about how this system is installed into the IBC or any other large container. In my hand here I've got a stainless steel RSV valve. It has a seal around the top here, and connected to the bottom is a continuous dip tube with a bellows at the bottom. That gives it a little bit of spring to account for any change in dimension of the container, and a special foot on the bottom which fits into the lowest part of the container, into the container sump. This valve and dip tube is inserted into the front of the container, as you can see here. We place over a stainless steel clinch ring, which is then crimped round the bottom to give us a very nice strong connection to the neck of the container. This is here to prove that the container has not been opened or tampered with through the supply chain. Once that's completed, the black tamper evident cap is snapped into the top of the valve, as you can see in this completed one down here. And this is to prove to the farm that nobody has opened the container and taken any chemical from it again anywhere in the supply chain. Before the chemical can be accessed, the end user has to snap this container tamper evident cap out from its position by lifting the tag here and splitting it, as you can see in this one, across its length. When not in use, or between mixes, this can be reinserted into the valve to keep the area of the valve clean.